Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Gina. Today I wanted to share with you this cute idea I had. I actually did this last Christmas, but I never got a chance to upload it. So I finally finished editing it and I just wanted to share it with you. So last year was my son and his fiance's first year in their new home, so I wanted to get them special Christmas ornaments for their tree because it was going to be the first year they have their own Christmas tree. And I found this cutlery box at the thrift store for only, I think it was $3.99, and I got 30% off, and I'm going to show you what I did with it to make them a special gift for their first Christmas in their first home. First, I gave the box a good cleaning. Inside is old and yucky, as my granddaughter Ava would say. So I just ripped out the whole inside of the box. The whole bottom of the box was falling out. So what I did was I got some nice heavy duty but smooth cardboard from my recycling bin. And I just traced it and I secured the bottom with some extra cardboard attached to it. I used some spray adhesive and I covered the original bottom of the box, and then I just added the cardboard. I also added cardboard to the top of the box. I had a pile of paint sticks that I got for free from my local hardware store. So I decided to take the paint strips and cut them to fit inside the top of the box, and I was going to create a shiplap look. Now I measured the length of the paint stick and I'm just scoring it with my box cutter so I could snap off the end or cut the end. I used a piece of sandpaper to file down the end where it was rough where I cut it. Now I'm laying all the paint sticks inside the lid of the box, and I am putting it in, adhering it with my tight bond, and this is how it looks. And I'm just going to let that dry overnight, and then the next day I am going to stain the paint sticks. I watered down some brown paint, and that's what I'm going to use to give it a nice stain, a light stain. Now I took my IOD Christmas mold and I'm making a bunch of these beautiful Christmas baubles, and this is what I'm going to use to decorate the top of the wood. First I put a little cornstarch in each one of these, and then I took my paper clay and my air dry clay and I just put them in there, and they release so easily with the cornstarch. These are so beautiful. I just love them. This is a great mold. Look how pretty these are with the details. So, so pretty. Now I'm just arranging my clay ornaments on top of the box, and I'm going to adhere them with some Type Bond wood glue. I like to use my nail just to make the edges a little smoother. I just kind of tap them in with the front of my nail. I let the glue dry overnight, and then I painted the entire box with my red chalk paint. When the chalk paint dried, I took some white wax and I waxed the entire box and ornaments. I put it on super heavy because I really wanted to get into all those little crevices on the ornaments because they had such beautiful detail. And then I just took my rag and I wiped a lot of it away. Then I took gilding wax and with my finger I just rubbed the wax all over the ornaments. Now it was time for me and Ava to pick out some pretty transfers from the IOD transfer Christmas book. And there she is. She's helping Noni pick out the ones that she wants to put on the box to decorate it. Now I'm just arranging the transfers in I'm just moving them around and looking to see what I like best, what catches my eye, and then we're going to add these transfers to the box. I'm going to seal everything with Big Top when I'm done. Now time to rub my transfers on. Results of the outside of the box. It came out so beautiful. I did personalize the outside, but I didn't get a picture of it. The inside of the box, I filled it with shredded brown paper shreddings. I had all these beautiful personal ornaments made from ornaments.com. I put them in the box, gave it to them, and they thought it was the most beautiful gift. And it really, next time you see a wood box, think about making it into a personal box filled with ornaments for a Christmas gift. If you enjoyed this DIY, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought about this ornament box. Would you make one? Would you think it was a nice gift? Let me know. Thanks for watching.